Ready?
Ah,
Powder na.
ready na ba?
Powder.
Kinakabahan ako. Shoo! Pressure ito.
Okay. Badminton history, take 2!
Badmintonks. Ano nga ba ang history? Paano nagsimula ang badminton?
Ay, parang ano.
Mali ba? Ulit. Sorry. Masyado ba seryoso?
Parang natanggal.
Retouch. Sorry, direct.
Badminton history, take 3! Ayos ka na.
Badmintonks. Ano nga ba ang history? Paano nagsimula ang badmintonks? Well, badmintonks started with 4 individuals, si Jen, si Elnie, si Edward, at ako. So, nahilig maglaro ng badminton bilang papawis. Tapos, kaming apat, nagbubuk kami ng court for 2 hours, kahit 9 p.m. na yan, 9 p.m. to 11, kahit minsan nabutin pa kami ng 12 midnight. Basta lang makapaglaro kaming apat, no? Tapos, kahit na yun lang yung court availability that time, bubuk pa rin namin. Tapos, right after ng laro, siyempre, didiretso kami sa bilihan ng shawarma, tsaka ng fresh juice, ganyan.
Kumusta naman po yung palo-palo niyo yun?
Ang
Professional po.
Ang laro naming apat ay basta may balik lang ang shuttle sa kalaban. Wala kaming alam kahit sa service line, di namin alam kung short na ba or long serve na yung ginagawa namin. Basta kukunin namin yan kung kaya namin kunin. Pero syempre, bilang nagpapapawis lang naman, most of the time hindi namin hinahabol, no? Kaya hence the badmintonks, no? Badminton toinks. Yun na yun, kasi talagang wala lang. Papawis lang talaga nagsimula ang lahat. Then hanggang sa one day, sinamahan kami ni Jovic. Si Jovic, long lost friend. Friend na namin kasi siya noon pa, no? So nawala siya sa sirkulasyon.
Lost friend.
At ayaw maniwala ng mga kaibigan niya na kasama namin siya dati sa BS. So,
Sa
Bible study.
Sa Bible study.
Yeah.
Mabait
I
na
know.
tao si Jovi.
Yes.
Mabait na tao.
So yun, hanggang sa one day, nakita namin si Jovic, nakita namin may mga pinopost siya, naglalaro siyang badminton. Sinamahan kami ni Jovic at dalawa niyang friend na si Rex at si Bren na naglalaro na talaga ng badminton at doon nila kami sinimulang turuan ng mga basic about badminton. I don't know, maybe siguro na nakita nila kami nag-uumpisa pala ng badminton, natatawa sila or ano man, I don't know. Kasi talagang wala pa kaming alam noon sa badminton. Basta lang makapalo, makahatid. Imagine, ang hawak ko sa raketa pag magbabakan, nahawakan ko yung ulo. Tapos igaganon ko, parang ipapaltik ko. So, yun, right after namin sila ma-meet, doon nila kami tinuruan mag-badminton. Bilib na bilib kami noon sa laro nila. Sila Bren, si Rex, at saka si Jovic. Yan, kikita namin kasi, wow, ang gagaling. So, mga coaches talagang tingin namin sa kanila noon. Tapos, after that, unti-unti na din kaming inintroduce at sinali sa iba't ibang pa-queuing ng ibang grupo hanggang sa natagpuan namin ang Smashers Qatar, of course. So, kung saan talaga kami nanatili at palagian ng naglalaro. Then, nung napunta na kami sa Smashers Qatar, lalong dumami, nakita namin magagaling mag-badminton. So, nagkaroon kami ng, nagpursige kami na, ay, parang ang sarap matuto na mag-badminton, makasabay maglaro sa kanila. Tapos, doon na din namin nasaksihan ang Power Smash ni Master Third. Yan.
Jumping power.
Yes, jumping power smash. Actually, that term comes from Jen herself. Nakikita namin kasi na, wow, lakas nung smash. At doon din namin nakita ang kabaitan nakilala na rin namin doon si Pastor Dave. Ayan. Hanggang sa unti-unti nang nagkapalagayan ng loob at tawanan tuwing magkikita sa court. Tapos, minsan tuwing weekdays, nagbubuk pa din kami ng laro kasamang mga kaibigan, kapamilya for a fun family day of badminton, no? Kasi syempre may mga kaibigan din kami kasama sa church na bago lang din nag-uumpisa ng badminton. So sinasama namin sila. Kumbaga kung ano yung pinakita sa amin nila Jovic, Bren at Rex nung nag-uumpisa pa lang kami. So we want to partake din, no? Ibigay din sa iba i-treat din yung iba kung paano kami nagsimula. Then, that's it. The rest is history. Nabuo na ang group chat ng Badmintoings kasama ang lahat ng mga kakulitan, katawanan, nakakasama sa loob at labas ng badminton court. Yan. So yun, Badmintoings nga kasi comedy rin dahil pinangatawanan talaga namin yung pangalang Badmintoings na kada tapos ng queuing, dumidiretso kami sa mga buffet all over Doha. Kulang na lang umabot kami ng Alcor, Wakra para lang mag-hunt ng mga buffet. Na alam mo yung tipong after pagpawisan at mag-burn ng mga calories, ibabawi lang din namin sa kain ng mga buffet at diretso sa after kain ng buffet, diretso sa 30% discounts na Starbucks ni T-Rex.
Thank you, T-Rex!
Yes, thank you. We miss you.
We miss you.
So, doon, naging biru-biruan na rin na gawin na lang natin BBSQ. Sabi ni
Kuya
Bren,
Bren.
no, na Badmintoings Buffet Smashers Qatar. Yeah, that was one moment nung habang kumakain kami. Ang galing, BBSQ. So, yun. So, to summarize everything, Badmintoings is not just a group actually. It's not just a group of people na addict sa badminton. Nabuo ang grupo dahil na din sa unique character ng bawat isa. At ang yung mga pinagsaluhang kwentuhan, tawanan, kulitan, kainan, kantahan, ang dahilan at naging pundasyon kung bakit nakaabot kami ng 1 taon, mahigit at madaming taon pa ang aabutin ng Badmintoings. Yon, so in brief, in short, Badmintoings is a family. Yun po, salamat!
Thank you po.
Pilipinas. Puso! 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 Puso!
namin yung commissioner. So, commissioner, successful naman tong competition na to, tong anniversary. So, ano naman message mo sa mga dumalo?
Unang-una, maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik nyo sa Badmintongs. And this is not only a competition but it is a family anniversary event. Kaya maraming salamat din sa pagpunta, Lisa and John. And thank you so much po sa support ng bawat isa at sa mga nag-sponsor. Thank you!
Thank you, Commissioner. So, sa chairwoman, ano po ang masasabi nyo sa success ng event na ito, ng anniversary ng badminton?
Nakakatuwa na kahit naglolokohan sila pero seryoso sila sa laro, and I'm so happy and iraos ang anniversary. More anniversaries to come! Lalaro na tayo next time! Congratulations!
Yun. Congratulations!
Thank you. Natapos din.
Success ang event, promise. So, pwede po ba kayo ma-interview yung MVP? Yung MVP po? Yung MVP.
Talong-talong ka lang tapos kabog-kabog na. Charot!
Oh. So, ano po masasabi nyo na nag-champion kayo?
Ah.
Any message sa mga dumalo, sa event na to, masasabi?
Actually, nag-exert lang naman kami ng effort. Parang naglaro lang kami, tapos nanalo na. Yun lang. Kita mo naman, di ba?
Any advice po sa mga beginners na gustong sumali ng sports na ito?
Ang maya advice ko lang, talino lang kailangan, di mo kailangan malakas sumampas. Bang! Salamat po!
Thank you! Okay, so we're here with the other player, champion player, Mr. Hector. So what can you say about this event and what are your thoughts winning the game?
Okay, the game was nice. I have a buddy that was playing hard and defeated me at the end. I'm not gonna say name, but we need more people. We need more people, right?
So what advice you can say about to all the beginners who wants to join this sport?
They're very welcome. They're very welcome. Yes, we need to increase the number. We cannot kill ourselves game after game after game.
Okay, once again, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
So dito naman tayo sa mga ladies, sa mga muse natin, no? So ano naman ang masasabi nyo sa event na to na naging successful at masasabi sa naging runner-up? So sa lahat ng panahon na naglalaro kayo, ano yung nasa isip nyo?
Binabati ko po yung nanay ko! Hello! Well, panalo kami sa Chan. Feeling ko.
Praise God! First tournament ko to. Saya-saya. Ang galante nila. Ang daming prize.
Congratulations, lady. So the entire game, ano yung nasa isip mo na
Nahihirapan kami sa first game namin kasi medyo magaling yung dalawang kalaban. Ginawa namin yung best namin pero ganun talaga. 1-1 yung standing. Yun.
So once again, congratulations.
Thank you.
Winner naman kami sana eh.
Thank you, thank you.
Paano nga ulit yung cheering na yon? Give me an M! Team leader ng Masters, no? So, ano po ang masasabi nyo sa entire game na to at success ng event?
Thank you. Unang-una kay Chairman, kay Chairwoman. Maraming salamat at super enjoy. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Ganito. Go.
So, I'm here with the champion leader, Team Sensei, and congratulations
Thank you so
for
much.
being champion.
Thank you so much.
Itong lugar na to, napunta kami sa lugar na to, pinili talaga namin, especially sa nag-champion na team. So, ano ang masasabi mo sa event kanina?
The event was well organized and talagang pinag-isipan at pinaghirapan ni Chairwoman Daryl at Jen. So every schedule was on time and everyone is happy. Okay?
So,
Yeah.
napanood namin kanina yung cheering and it was so wonderful. Talagang may effort. So, tell me your thoughts about it.
Actually, it's just being creative and on the spot, pronto, like this one. So we're just like talented people, and I'm just being humble, but we are being talented people. Yeah,
So-
and we deserve that one actually.
I see. So, having the score of 26 and 28 and then 2 points for the cheering competition. So, what can you say about it?
We expect that one because of our talents. Actually, on the game, yes, it's given that they are stronger than us. And congratulations, Team Master, for being so strong in the game. But it's our time to shine.
Yeah, congratulations for both teams that they gave a good fight.
Yes, Team Sensei, awu awu.
Badminton's Qatar first year anniversary will not be made possible without our major sponsors. Gyre Project, owned and managed by our chairman and chairwoman, Mr. and Mrs. Sorlino. Please support their company by visiting and liking their Facebook page. For our championship trophies, courtesy of AB Car Wash, care of Miss Cherry Berry, thank you so much for your generosity. For our raffle prizes, we would like to express our gratitude to Mr. Bren Martin Pasaguy Barrero for your undying support. Despite your hectic schedule, you still managed to give your presence at the event. Lastly, Badminton's Qatar receive international support from our badminton enthusiast, our very own coach, a hard-working barista supervisor at Team Hortons, family-oriented, and a very supported friend, wearing jersey number 14 from St. John's, Newfoundland, Canada, Mr. Rex Hikayo Mendoza. And to all the members and participants who came, played, and celebrated it with us from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you very much. See you on the next season.